नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं संध्या सिंह, एस्ट्रोलॉजर एंड टैरो कार्ड रीडर। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी मेजर अरकाना के बारे में। इससे पहले मैंने सारे सूट्स कंप्लीट कर दिए हैं। अगर आपने नहीं देखे हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल पर जाइए और वो सारे एपिसोड देखिए जो कि मैंने बनाए हैं आपके लिए प्रोफेशनल टैरो कार्ड कोर्स में, फ्री फ्री फ्री। और अभी देर ना करते हुए मेजर अरकाना के तरफ चलते हैं। मेजर अरकाना में, जैसा आपको पता है, 22 कार्ड इन मोस्ट टैरो डेक्स आर नोन एज अ मेजर अरकाना. They are typically seen in the power card, affecting the higher matter of life. Images and meaning represent major life events such as a marriage, birth, and death. Each one carries with it specific message and can provide querent with the comfort, guidance, or direction. The card in the minor arcana focus on everyday matters, including action, decision you make daily. In contrast, major arcana paint a bigger picture of the querent's life. Reader must understand the meaning behind each card as well as how they relate to one another if they are too present and accurate reading to the querent. Originally, the major arcana only possessed allergical meaning, reflective of the morals and worldview of the Italian nobleman who popularized them. Eventually, as the tarot cards are increasingly used for divinatory or occult purpose, the role of major arcana change. Now, it represents major life event as well as serving to answer meaningful and important question on the part of a querent. When tarot deck When a tarot deck are used to play card games, the major arcana act as a trump card, controlling and detecting the action. From the 14,000 1400 to the 1500, the major arcana or trump were used primarily for gaming and gambling and were frequently kept separate from the minor arcana card, which are mostly used for innocent table games. Decks that exist before the Rider Waite deck tend to have Strength as the 11th card and Justice as the 8th. When the Rider Waite deck was produced, they switched the position of these two cards, with the Strength now being the 8th and Justice as the 11th. The reason for this switch was to better align the card with their corresponding astrological signs. Leo often signifies strength and is represented by the 8th number. Libra, usually synonymous with justice, governed with the 11th. Fool card. Now we will talk about Fool card. Fool. In the glider deck, the Fool is represented as a court jester type, dressed in a colorful clothes and entertaining the viewer with their juggling skill. A closer glance reveals skillful hand, delicately balancing each one of the zodiac sign in the air without dropping one. The meaning behind this image is that anything is possible. Other decks depict the fool as a figure embarking on new journey, carrying nothing more than small packs, symbolizing new beginnings and having faith in the unknown. In divinity, zero often represented time before creation, a void of unexplored potential where anything is possible. Zero also reflect endless circle, indicating the timeless nature of life and death without beginning or end. Fool represent unexpected opportunities and welcome changes. The querent needs to remain open to possibility as well as flexible enough to roll with the change. In some cases, these opportunities arrive out of the blue and require a fast and major life decision. When this card appear in a spread, it tells the querent to embrace change and opportunities as they may regret if they don't. This card tends to appear when querent are struggling with the decisions or unsure of which leap of faith they should take. It reminds them that everyone grows as a result of experience, making it important to embrace the gifts life present. The fool remind the querent to indulge their inner child in terms of expressing wonder and enthusiasm. Remembering how exciting changes or adventure can help motivate the querent into taking action, it typically appears to those who are ready for change but who may also feel some apprehension without making a major decision. Depending on the spread, there may be some negative connotations to the fool. For those who fear change, the fool sometimes raises anxiety level. This is often because a querent may fear the wrong decisions, instead preferring to make no decision at all. If you sense that this is the case, remind the querent that change often leads to better life. This card and the endless possibility, it represent a good omens. Now we will talk about who fool after fool magician card. Now we will talk this card for later, and from the now, we would say goodbye. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and